Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss a MATLAB program for performing a relational and logical operation on two array. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss what is relational and logical operator. So, in the languages that are C, C++, and Java, and even in JavaScript also, the meaning of relational operator never change. Okay, so relational operations are greater than, less than, okay, greater than is equal to, and less than is equal to. So these kind of operations which are useful for to comparing two string, two elements or two digits or two array. Okay, and on that comparison, the output of relational operator might be 1 or 0. Okay, so the output of relational operator and logical operator must be 0 or 1. If condition is true, then the output will be 1. If condition is false, then output of relational and logical operator must be 0. Okay, so the logical operators are and, or, and not. So the AND operation is that comparison of two operation or two string. Okay, if both conditions are true at that time, the logical operation and it will give one output. Exactly opposite to the or it will give output 1 if any condition, okay, what I am saying, if any one condition is true at that time, logical operation or it will give one operator, otherwise it will give 0. Okay, if both conditions are true at that time, or will give 1. If both conditions are false at that time, output of or condition is 0. Okay, so this is the program for relational operator and logical operator. So as usual, we are starting the our program MATLAB program with CLC and clear all. What does it mean? CLC for clear console and clear all for clear the workspace. Okay, so what is this? So here we declare array 1 with 1 2 3 and 4 elements, and with the help of f printf and this function we are going to display the contents of array 1, that is row vector. Now, second one is array 2. Here the elements are 1, 6, 7 and 8. And with the help of fprintf and this function we are going to display the contents of array 2. Okay, nothing is tricky over here. We are declaring the two arrays and displaying the elements of array 1 and array 2. Okay, so here the actual program start, that are relational operations on an array. Okay, so here we create a variable with gt, that is greater than, and gt, what it contains? Variable, it contains the value. Okay, so here it contains the whatever the output which is to be given by greater than operation, which is to be stored in a gt array. Okay, so here gt is not a variable, gt here variable, gt is not a variable, here it is a array. Okay, now array 1 contents are 1 2 3 4 and array 2 contents are 1 6 7 8. So comparison is 1 is greater than 1, so the output of greater than operation will be, yes, what it might be, 1 is greater than 1, yes, true or false, so it will give false operation. 2 is greater than 6, false operation, 0. 3 is greater than 7, 0. 4 is greater than 8, yes, exactly 0. So here greater than array display 0 0 0 and 0 for the greater than operation. Now array 1 comparing with array 2 by the operation greater than is equal to. So greater than is equal to operation which is to be stored in which array? GTE. Okay, so GTE will compare array 1 and array 2. Same, array 1 is compared with array 2 by less than operation. Array 1 and array 2 is compared with array 2 by less than 2, less than equal to operation. Then this is the array 1 with array 2 by equal to operation. That is, array 1 and array 2 are comparison. Comparison is over here. Now next one is not equal to. Okay, exactly opposite to equal to operation. Now next one is logical operations. So logical operations are and, or, and not. If both conditions are true at that time, it will give the output 1. Otherwise, it will give the output 0. And in OR operator, it will give the output 1 if any condition are true. Otherwise, it will give output 0. Okay, so what about whenever both conditions are true? At that time, it will give output 1. But if both conditions are false, at that time, OR operation will display 0. And array, here we are going to comparing the not operation by array 3, so it will give exactly opposite to the array 3. Okay, so 1, if we passing 1 at that time, it will give output 0. If you passing 0, then it will the output 1. Okay, so we are going to performing this practical with the help of MATLAB. So whether this will be performing or not. Okay, so CLC clear all is your starting instructions, starting command for MATLAB. Array 1 and array 2 are declared, and as per our discussion, we are going to performing this practical on MATLAB. So there are different way we can also perform this on console, and we are also going to perform by the uh, by with the help of the run or execution operation. So here we will just click on run operation, and it will ask us regarding change folder. So change folder means what? Here we just here C program file MATLAB and MATLAB production server, but our practical is not saved in this folder. So MATLAB asks us to whether you have to change the folder. Yes, exactly, we have to change the folder. So just here, whenever I'm going to click on change folder, here path will be set, already set by the MATLAB. Okay, just here. Okay, just see over here, path will be changed and set by the MATLAB automatically. Okay, so this is your practical output. The elements of greater than 2, yes. 1 is greater than 1, no. 2 is greater than 6, no. 3 is greater than 7, no. 4 is greater than 8, no. That's why 0 0 0 0 is displayed by the GT array. And greater than is equal to, so 1 is greater than is equal to 1, yes, that's why true is displayed by the GTE operation, and rest of the part is false, that's why GTE operation display 0. So just same as less than, less than, equal to operation, not equal to, and add operation, or operation, and not operation. So thus in this way we describe the concept of less than equal to, relational operation and logical operation. So the relational operators are less than equal to, greater than equal is equal to, then we have comparison, that is equal to operator and not equal to, and logical operators are and, or, and not. And keep in mind, the output of relational and logical operators are 0 or 1, that is boolean. Okay, so this is for MATLAB program for relational operator and logical operator. Okay, thank you.